Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to actually do a little bit of work on the red car here. My plan is to install the wastegates. So I got two knockoff wastegates. First things first, I'll come over to my handy hole saw kit, thank you Harbor Freight, and find something that matches this guy. That one, it looks perfect. It's fucking nasty out, Justin.
It's gross, motherfuckers.
Look at this shit. Goddamn garage leaks. Fucking doors getting eaten apart at the bottom. And we got this hoopty over here. We gotta get some work done. Anyways, where I left off before, I went ahead and pulled the front core support off and pushed the radiator down a little bit so I can get a better shot. So I'm gonna throw the old wastegate right in this area, and I want to have a clear drilling shot to it. Yeah. Stanky?
Nasty farts this morning.
Uh-oh. Beer farts. Yeah, it's definitely afternoon. Oh, hey. Brand new bit status, you know? It tastes good. Alright, you know, somewhere in this general area, I think it'd be alright.
Oh yeah, we're through.
Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. So we jumped pretty far ahead here, but we got these guys welded up. Justin was supposed to be doing a certain type of filming job. Instead, he's been golf jerking off. And yeah, so this guy's welded on there. And we are going to be rebolting the exhaust back up and throwing these little hoopties on there. Frank, what are you doing? It's not ready for that, Frank.
It's not ready.
It's not ready. Plus you don't even have the firing ring in. Dipshitty. The fire ring is important. What are you doing? Dropping hella shit.
Apparently you're ready for something.
Gotta make some dump tubes. And I'm gonna go up, right through the hood. And I'm gonna reuse BMW exhaust to do it. It's like the perfect diameter. This is a ghetto car. And it's gonna continue to stay ghetto. Steve is excited about ghetto. So just cut this guy. We're gonna do something entertaining. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out what part of this exhaust I want to use. So you just think little 6-inch little guys, short and sweet.
Yeah.
You agree? You don't want to like do some craziness like that. One down, one to go. Big old flames coming out of this. Once the engine blows. Yeah. Yeah. Well, guys, I'll probably cut the tops of these tubes off so that they're level. Not quite level with the hood. I want them to be up a little bit above the hood so they don't have black soot going down the hood if and when I run it. But yeah, you know, they're a little bit, this one's higher than the other one, but when you look at it from the front like that, they're both in line, which is nice from the side. Because you should always be looking at a drift car from the side anyways, you know. It's coming together. I think I'll probably call it quits for today. Clean up. Got stuff to do. It's raining. Steve says hi.
Hello.
All right, day 2 of actually working on this car, guys. And we got Stuart over here. What's up? Check him out. Freeman Phil Magazine, you know. Stuart's the man. We are contemplating how to run the exhaust off the back of this turbo. And I'm thinking I'm going to run the exhaust from the back of the turbo along here where I beat in the, you know, this structural part you don't usually want to beat in. Beat that in, and then I think I'm going to have the pipe come out the fender. We got the first hole drilled, got through there. My little cutout fell down in here. It's probably down there somewhere, but yeah, now the second hole hopefully will line up perfectly, and we're going to drill that. It's kind of hard to film and drill. Maybe Stuart will help it out. Don't press any of the buttons on the side. All right. Ouch!
Oh, snap.
This won't be as easy as I thought. I should do a pilot hole first, I think. Where it's, like where this big
Oh,
bend
it's sliding
is.
off?
Yeah, so the side of the
Okay.
bit is hitting and pushing it that way.
Yeah, pop a drill bit in that thing. And... There it is.
I know a lot of channels, they like to worry about if they're cussing or not, but I've never had any issues.
Uh-huh.
People don't even comment on my videos, let alone complain about them.
Success.
Hooray!
That's
That
an
is a
excellent
tight fit. That is a really tight fit. Why is your car so hot? Oh, my exhaust is basically welded to it. Yeah, don't worry about that. My ears. I'm gonna be deaf by the time I'm 40. There you go.
Nice
Now
and
you know
clean.
slice your hand open.
D-bird. All right, so I left you guys out for a second, but Thomas made some really cool pie cuts. And
Cool as
see
a
them,
ghetto.
he's tacking them together right there. And that's going to give us the 90-degree for under the hood right there. So I'm going to go ahead and get that welded up.
Where's that other piece of pipe? There it is. You found it, Stuart. Good job. Fuck yeah. Stuart found his pipe. Oh, that's fucking nice. Look at that shit.
Yep.
The cut that's on there already lines up great.
Mm-hmm.
I like that, Stuart. You're a goddamn genius.
Thank you. I take credit for this.
So our next cut could probably be right in here. Welding. She's tacked.
That's how you get a tan.
Nice UV tan.
Super safe. Look at that. It comes out easy and everything.
It's not horrible.
That's not the worst.
It could have been better, but it's not bad. It'll work. We did it.
You did it. You did it. Yeah.
We're getting there.
Now.
Not much to film. No, that's going to be a straight shot. You're just going to go with a straight cut like that. So
Straight
we're
to the
gonna have,
flange. All right, cool. What we got going on now?
this flange plus this nice stylish piece of pipe that you can have for $600 because that's about the amount of value that I've got into this thing. I've got like 4 hours into this piece of shit. So that slides in that hole there, right? Insert pipe into hole, and then we got this lays down in about this general area, and then we got this flange, and we just got it cut, and it's gonna fit real nice. Like
We're getting close to something useful. So the flange is tacked on here, and everything fits. And now we're gonna go fill in these massive gaps.
massive, humongous. It's all right. It'll work. It always works. Never looks good.
We got the flange welded up. The pipe is all the way snaked through, and Thomas is putting grease on it right now because what we're gonna do is use that grease to make a pattern on the fender, and that's gonna tell us exactly where to cut the fender.
Fingers crossed.
Yep.
I've never done this before. This is all new territory. So we're just, my dumbass just grabs the fucking grease. No, we're just gonna wing it here. See about where it ends up. So, bolt holes are kind of sitting on the fender. Have them line up about where they would sit, and press with my belly. See where we end up. I see it. There's part of a circle.
That's enough of a circle.
It's enough. We can make that work.
Got it.
That wasn't dull or anything. My goodness.
Perfect circle.
That's cool.
It's pretty good work.
We need to drop down like 1/8 of an inch. So if we take the die grinder and just edge this hole out a little bit.
Fucking money right now.
Yeah,
Maybe
but
it's
this
still
would be
out
this would be touching the paint
there. Yeah, no,
and melting the
that.
paint. So no matter what, we'd have to edge that out.
Adios, everybody.
Stuart, you were the man today. Thank you. Stuart did most of the filming.
Yeah, Justin didn't do anything.
Justin didn't do shit.
Justin drank a beer.
This is what we ended up with, guys. Check this shit out. You know you love this right here. You want to just like touch it sexually. And then look at this. This little ring is actually a V-band clamp. It'll probably rust, but we beat it on there, and it sits kind of flush. Caution, hot. Don't put anything cylindrical into this that lines up with this. It would be hot.
All right, y'all, I'm getting out.
Goodbye. See you next time
Yep.
on the episodes of No One Gives a Shit About This Car.